Good morning, kids. Hope you all are well and fine. I'm your computer teacher Mohana Rani. Today we are going to learn our second lesson. Okay. Today we are going to learn our second lesson, book back exercises. Already we learned first lesson separately, video posted, and book back question answers video posted, and classwork completion a video posted. Then the second lesson explanation a video posted. Then now this is I think this is fourth or fifth video for completing our book back exercises. Okay, go through all the videos again and again, because the same content only would be asked for your first term examination. Next week we are going to have our first term examination. For the first term examination, these two lessons are your portions. Okay, these two lessons are your portions, and go revise the videos, and classwork activity separately I have given. Okay, separate video I have posted, and the classwork activity in PDF form I posted in the WhatsApp group also. Okay, for the same second lesson also you will get a PDF form. Okay, PDF will be posted in your WhatsApp group also. Okay, videos has to be go through, then the PDF whatever we are posting in the WhatsApp group, that also has to be gone through. Okay, so these are important. Okay, shall we start the video now? Start the second lesson, book back exercises now. Yes, lesson name is parts of computer. See, rearrange the jumble words. Rearrange the jumble words. There are some words, but it is not in order. Okay, it is not in order. The spellings have are in disorder. Okay, and you have to make it in order to be a meaningful word. Okay, see here, music. Okay, music. What is this? SICMU. SICMU. There is no word called like that. Okay, so first one you have to bring this MU. You have to bring this MU here in the front. Here in the front you have to bring this MU here in the front. If you do so, this will become music. Okay, MUSIC, music. Okay, MUSIC, music, meaningful word, isn't it? Okay, repeat along with me. MUSIC, music. MUSIC, music. MUSIC, music. Okay, then now we will move on to the second question. Okay, what is this take miss? What is this take miss? Is there any word called that take miss? No, right? There is no word. So what it is in disorder? Okay, the spellings are not in order. So what have to do is bring this MIS. Bring this MIS here in the front. Here in the front. Okay, bring this MIS here in the front. Then this will become mistake. Okay, then this will become mistake. Okay, TAKE. See here. Okay, see here, MISTAKE, mistake. Okay, MISTAKE, mistake. Okay, mistake. Okay, this is how the word has to be. Then now this is meaningful. Okay, after ordering it in a meaningful manner, now it shows us meaning. Okay, now it gives us meaning. Mistake. Okay, MISTAKE, mistake. Shall we move on to the third question? See here, And com. What is this and com? There is no word like this. Okay, and com. There is no word like this. What you have to do is bring the COMM to the front. Okay, bring the COMM. All four letters together. Bring in front. Okay, then this will become what? Command. Okay, command. See here, COMMAND, command. Okay, COMMAND, command. Okay, after bringing the COMM to the front, okay, in the front, it becomes command. Now it gives meaning. Okay, understand? So this is how the meaningful the word is in the word is not in the right manner, in the right order. You have to arrange it in an order where we can get a meaningful word. Okay, now you can see the fourth question, taunts but. Okay, is there any word called taunts but in English? No, right? There's no words called taunts but at all. So what you have to do is you bring this but. Okay, bring this but here in the front. Okay, bring this but here in the front. Then this word will become button. Okay, button. S, plural form, buttons. Okay, button. See here, BUTTONS, buttons. Okay, BUTTONS, buttons. Now the word is giving meaning. Okay, now the word is giving meaning. So this is how we have to make it. Okay, see the next one. See the next question, Burnham. Is there any word called Burnham here? No, right? There is no word called Burnham. Okay, there is no word called Burnham. So what you have to do is you should bring this NUM to the front. Then the word will become number. Okay, isn't it? Then the word will become number. NUMBER, number. See here, okay, number. NUMBER, number. Now the word is giving meaning. Okay, so this is how we have to arrange the letters in a meaningful order. Now this you all would have understood. Okay, just bring the last few words, 2 or 3 words to the front. It will give meaning. Okay, see here. Now you can see the question and answer together. Okay, sick move became music, take miss became mistake, and com became command, taunts but has become buttons. Okay, Burnham has become number. Now after converting into the right order, now it is giving meaning, isn't it? Okay, now shall we move on to the next slide? See here, choose the right word and fill the dashes. Okay, you can see a rabbit here. You can see a rabbit. A rabbit is holding 5 balloons. Okay, 5 balloons. All the balloons has some words in it. You have to choose a right balloon for the right dash. That's it. You have to choose a right balloon for the right dash. See here, keyboard buttons are called as what? Keyboard buttons are called as which balloon will set here? Speaker, 3, monitor, then brain, keys. Which one will set to us? Keys only will set to us. Okay, keys only will set to us. So we have to select the balloon called key. Okay, so keyboard buttons are called as keys. Okay, now the second one, CPU is the dash of the computer. Okay, CPU is the dash of the computer. Brain. Okay, CPU is the brain of a computer. Okay, CPU is the brain of the computer. Okay, next, see here, dash look like a TV. Which one would be looking like a TV? Okay, monitor. A computer monitor would be looking like a TV. Okay, so we have to select this balloon. Okay, this balloon, monitor balloon only for the third question. Okay, then the fourth one. You see the fourth one, we can hear music using, for with which we can hear music. Okay, even if it is cell phone also we use something to hear better music. Okay, what is that? Speaker. Okay, that is a speaker. In a loud voice we can hear the music. So speaker is the right one. Where is the speaker balloon? It is in the speaker balloon is here. Okay, then you see the mouse has dash button. A mouse has how many buttons? Left, right and the center one, isn't it? Left button, right button and the center one. So which balloon we have to select? You have to select this button 3. Okay, you have to select this 3 button. Okay, now we'll move on to the next slide. See here, the book will be like this. In your textbook the book page will be like this. Okay, you have to choose the right option with the right one. You have to choose the right option with the right one. Okay, see here, mouse. First one is mouse. Mouse has 3 buttons, isn't it or not? Mouse has 3 buttons. That is why I have put one here. You can see here. Okay, that is why I have put one here, and I drawn a line from mouse to 3 buttons. I have drawn a line from mouse to 3 buttons. You can see here. Okay, now next one you can see CPU. Okay, CPU. This is one, right? This one is CPU. CPU, brain of the computer. CPU is called as what? CPU is called as brain of the computer. Okay, CPU is called as brain of the computer. Now you can see the speaker. Speaker. What is the use of speaker? See here, it is written, we can hear music and other sounds. Okay, we can hear music and other sound. So this is the right option. Okay, this is the right option. Now see the fourth one. There is a TV kind. Okay, there is a TV kind. What is this? Where you can match this? You can match this with, it look like TV. Okay, it looks like TV. Okay, isn't it? It looks like TV, but it is a monitor. Okay, the olden monitors, olden computer monitors are like this only, like TV, ditto like TV only it will be. Okay, ditto like TV only it will be. Then you can see here keyboard. What is this? This is a keyboard. Okay, where you have to match, see the line is going somewhere in the up. Okay, we can type numbers and letters, isn't it? True or not? Yes, we can type letter and keys, letters and numbers with the help of keyboard. Okay, so for keyboard this is the right option. Okay, in the side also we have to put the right appropriate number, and we have to draw a line to the right option. Okay kids, now I think you would have understood this match. Now we will move on to the next slide. Yes, see the next slide. See here, name the keys. Okay, name the keys. See, in the first row there are only numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, only numbers. So we have to write number here, numbers, numbers. Okay, numbers, 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 numbers. Okay, then see the second one, you have only alphabets here. Okay, you have only alphabets here. See here, A B C D E F G H up to Z is there. Okay, up to Z is there. So all are what? Alphabets. Okay, so you have to write alphabet. ALPHABETS, alphabets. ALPHABETS, alphabets. ALPHABETS, alphabets. Okay, so this would be the right one. The next question you can see here. Color the mouse. Color the mouse. Left button you have to color with red color. Okay, so here you can color with the red one. Okay, here you can color with the red one. See right button. Right button is in green color. So here in this side you can color the green button, green color. Okay, scroll button. Scroll button is the center one. This is the scroll button, center one. For this you can color in blue color. So you can color here with the blue color. Okay, like this. You have to choose appropriate color. Okay, they have given you which color has to be chosen for which part. That color you have to select to color. Okay. Now we have come to the end of session. This is how your book back exercises are there. Okay, this is how your book back exercises are there. All the exercises, what and all the exercises are there in your book bag, everything I have taken a photograph and I have taught you now. So please copy by seeing this video. Anyway, I will post this video with these pictures in the WhatsApp also. And for your exam there are 2 lessons. Okay, first lesson I have given posted. This is the second lesson. Okay, this is the second lesson. Okay kids, all the best. Now we will end. We will meet in the next class. Bye.